it's my favorite, when I used to watch WWE. The next presentation is from CMTI, and can I have Mr. Narendra Reddy and Tom Thampy? Narendra Reddy, Scientist D, Smart Manufacturing Cell, Group Head CMTI with 18 years of experience, and Mr. Tom Thampy, Senior Scientist. Tom.
Good afternoon. Here I'll just briefly introduce about CMTI. I think most of the people will be aware of CMTI. There's a Central Manufacturing Technology Institute, comes under, basically an R&D institute, comes under Ministry of Heavy Industries. So this is established in 1962 with the collaboration with the Indian and Czechoslovakia. We have around 181 staffs and over 325 project staffs. Overall strength is around 500 plus employees we have. So main focus of the institute is like development of advanced machines and process technology, and providing value-added services to the industries in the field of testing, calibration, and consultancy related. So we also do training of manpower, like skilling and upskilling activities we do. We do take internship, all those things. The key achievements are like we have developed 500 plus machines and process technologies over the last 64 years. And we have mentored 6 institutes in India and abroad. CMTI is, I think CMTI is mainly known for, CMTI's handbook is very famous. So that's a Bible for most of the, industry for the machine tool developers. And we have around 75 technologies ready for licensing. And we have developed 3,000 value-added technical services to the industry over the year. So coming to the main CMT's R&D focus, we take research and develop machines and technologies, train manpower and deploy into industry applications. So it's all like, there are different verticals. So each vertical is focused into various activities, like one is into ultra precision machine tools, then special purpose machines, sensors and controllers, textile machinery, development of hydraulic LRUs and qualification testing, then precision metrology, smart manufacturing, additive manufacturing, then micro and nano manufacturing, then training, that's a skilling and upskilling, and technology transfer. These are the 40 various machines we have developed from 2018 onwards. So there are 40 major developments we have done. That's the first one is it's all about like mixers, propellant mixers. So we develop mixers of various capacity from 1,200 liters to 10 ton. That's a recent development we have developed for ISRO. So with this 10-ton development, India became the 4th country having such capacity. So that's it's an achievement for us. So coming to the other one, this is a shuttleless spindle, shuttleless loop.